Good morning, students. In last lecture, we have studied about the sources of food, from where we are getting our food, and how our body use that for getting energy. And this food is used for energy, for nourishment, and for protection of our body. Because it has some components. That we'll study in next chapter. Before this, we have to discuss about the food chain. What is the food chain? It is your last topic of chapter first. So food chain is the chain of animals which are dependent on each other for getting energy. क्या बोला? Chain of the animals which are dependent on each other for getting energy. इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि जो एक ऐसी चेन है एनिमल्स की जिसमें वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, इंटरडिपेंडेंट है फॉर गेटिंग एनर्जी. कैसे? वो एक दूसरे को क्या करेंगे? ईट अप करेंगे. क्या करेंगे? एक दूसरे को ईट अप करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इकोलॉजिकल सिस्टम. किसका पार्ट है? इकोलॉजिकल सिस्टम. व्हाट इज इकोलॉजी एंड इकोलॉजिकल सिस्टम? The relation of animals with their environment. कोई भी एनिमल है, उनके एनवायरमेंट में जिसमें वो सर्वाइव कर रहे हैं, उनके साथ में कोई ना कोई रिलेशन है. दैट इज नोन एज इकोलॉजी. ओके. और फूड चेन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ इकोलॉजिकल सिस्टम. ओके. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द फर्स्ट पार्ट और फर्स्ट स्टेप of this food chain is always the producers, that is green plants. We can write in this the chain of living beings, which are dependent on each other for getting their energy. Producers, that is green plants, which are preparing their food from sunlight or photo energy. It means they are preparing their food for others. It is the first step of food chain. Second step are consumers. Third steps are decomposers. Okay. First is producers, that are producing something. Consumers, that are consuming that product, and last one, which can eat up all these products, producers and consumers. For example, we are having a food chain of grass place. The producer is grass, the consumer is grasshopper, then grasshopper is taken by frog is eaten by snake, and this snake is eaten by eagle. And after the death of all these decomposers can decompose their body. It means the first part of this food chain is grass, or first step or first member of this food chain is grass, that is the producer. Then grasshopper is the first consumer, frog is second consumer, snake is third consumer, eagle is fourth consumer, and fifth is decomposer. Okay. It is your food chain. It means the energy taken by the grass from the sunlight is transferred to grasshopper, grasshopper to frog, and frog to snake, snake to eagle, and lastly energy is reaches to the decomposers. It means the highest amount of energy is taken by grass and the lowest energy reaches to decomposers. आई बात समझ में? सबसे लास्ट वाला जो कंज्यूमर आएगा दैट हैव द लीस्ट एनर्जी ऑफ सनलाइट. ओके, इन हायर क्लासेस में हम लोग स्टडी करेंगे कि इसका जो फूड चेन है उसमें एनर्जी कितनी ट्रांसफर होती है. सनलाइट का जो 10% होता है वो ग्रास यूज करती है. देन इसका जो 1% है दैट इज ट्रांसफर टू ग्रास ऊपर क्या करेगा, इस 1% का भी 10% यूज करेगा और इस 10% का भी वो आगे ट्रांसफर करेगा. इट इज अ रूल. ओके, it is your food chain. It means these animals or human living beings are interdependent on each other. It is the your last topic of this chapter. You have to choose all these correct options, all these MCQs in your chapter, then find out all these and do it in your fair copy. Okay, next some of the questions that you have to find out from your chapter. Okay, first question like OBTs, from where we are getting our food, what are the functions of food, and which food is essential for us, which type of components are here. Okay, thank you. Now you have to define all these topics in your fair copy. Also we have studied all these topics. Food, we are again discussing about this. Food, that is the substance which are useful for nourishment, which are giving the energy to the body, which is used for getting energy and giving protection to our body from the infections or diseases. Nutrition is the process of getting food and utilizing in our body. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जो फूड हम लोग ले रहे हैं उस फूड को हम लोग किस तरीके से हमारी बॉडी यूज कर रही है, दैट इज न्यूट्रिशन. न्यूट्रिएंट्स मीन्स some of the some of the basic needs of our body that is we are getting from the food, or the essential components of foods are known as essential components of food are known as nutrients that should be in our food. Staple food is denoting the specific area or the food that is eaten in the different areas or particular areas. Ingredients are the substances or the nutrients which are used to complete a food. फूड को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए हमारे पास जो भी चीज़ मुझे ज़रूरत पड़ेगी दैट आर इनग्रेडिएंट्स. लाइक मुझे लेमनेड बनाना है, लेमन वाटर बनाना है, तो मुझे किसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, शुगर, वाटर, लेमन एंड सॉल्ट. तो दीज आर द इंग्रेडिएंट्स ऑफ दिस फूड. एडिबल फूड का मीनिंग होता है द पार्ट ऑफ प्लांट और एनिमल विच आर यूज टू टेकन एज फूड. ये ऐसे पार्ट्स हैं जिसका यूज हम लोग किसके लिए कर रहे हैं, जिस फूड का हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं फॉर गेटिंग आवर फूड, तो उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे, एडिबल फूड. एडिबल फूड क्या बोला मैंने कि एनिमल या प्लांट का वो पार्ट जिसका यूज हम लोग फूड के फॉर्म में कर रहे हैं दैट इज नोन एज एडिबल फूड. आफ्टर दिस इन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड. कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड का मीनिंग क्या हुआ, which components are used for preparing our food. First one is carbohydrate, second one is protein, third one is fat, fourth one is vitamin and minerals, fifth is water. It is water. All these components we have to discuss in our next topic. Okay, thank you.